And you gon' judge me either way, so why not gon' be myself? Tell me why it can't be me. I feel just like cowboy, these niggas envy me. I'm coming different, thought I told you. I've been watching niggas switch up. Told her that I miss. They don't like me cause I'm great. I had watched them niggas.
Alright, this Jill's TV. Give you the hottest Jill's out the city. Let the folks know what we got today.
What up, man? My name is Bruce. I want to make me fresh.
Just chilling. What that is you got going on right now, man?
I got my nails take tweak. You know, I'm doing a manicure right now. Keep me straight. Get all the hair and shit out my nails.
It was a long day of work today, cuz?
Yeah. Every day.
Every day. Alright, you know what I'm saying? This your first time on the show, you know what I'm saying? Let the people know, you know what I'm saying, where you from.
Originally from the campground, but I grew up like down the bay, Roderiguez, shit like that.
Yeah. Alright, what high school you went to?
I went to Cobra High School. I started off at LaFleur. I was staying in Thomasville with my dad. Then I went back to stay with my mom. I went to BC Rain and Wills. But I ended up graduating from Murphy though. That's when like still kind of took off for me right there.
So you can't have high school or?
Yeah, I got my license like the 10th, and the summer going to the 10th grade. Cause I had went to White's, and like at White's you don't need no type of high school credentials or no GED or nothing like that. Like you know what I'm saying. So I was going every day after school. So I was a real licensed boy like at 15. Started working in the real shop and everything.
So what led you into, you know what I'm saying, want to be a bar?
It was like really never part of the plan. It was just like, like in Mobile, like we got gangs, but it really ain't gangs. Like it ain't just hard on gangs. It's all about what hood you from. You know what I'm saying? So I'm from one side, but I stayed on another side that we beefing with. Like you know what I'm saying? So every day I'd be fighting, walking home from school at the bus stop, like, and my mama, all the old folks in the neighborhood tell my mama like, your son fighting at the store, your son fighting at the bus stop. She like, I'm gonna find something to do. Every day after school, you get into some shit. Like, you feel me? So she took me to the barber school over on White, over on the avenue. And shit, I ain't never looked back.
So you ain't never tried to play no sports or nothing, you know what I'm saying?
No, because see, I started cutting in the 10th grade.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? So I was already getting money. You know what I'm saying? I had made JV basketball at BC Rain, but that ain't last long though once I started getting that little money. So yeah, I was already getting money in basketball.
So White was there because I did the interview with Joke and she talked about, you know what I'm saying, White. He was there.
Oh, talking about at the school?
Yeah.
Yeah. He was still alive then.
Yeah.
He recently died like 18 or something, like 2018.
You know what I'm saying? Joker talk highly y'all, you know what I'm saying, you and Bad, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah,
like what's your relationship?
My dog, yeah.
What's your relationship with Joker?
Joker just, you know what I'm saying, dope individual, bro. Very go-to. Like I can call her for any advice on anything, plug on anything. She just don't shut us out. Like, you know what I'm saying? Just real recognizing real. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Cause you know, people make you pay for information, you know what I'm saying? Cause of what they went through to get it, and she ain't never not shut down with me. You know what I'm saying?
Alright.
And then I follow her products. Like she got like, you know what I'm saying, the little razors and the fibers and shit. Like I support like that business. Like I'll be fucking up for her products and shit. Cause I want to goddamn eventually get into them products.
Alright, so for the kids who looking at the interview, you know what I'm saying? Would you say, you know what I'm saying, the barber, they should go try to be your neighborhood dope man, a barber, a rapper, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Y'all make more than a rapper, some rapper coming up?
I don't want to say that, but you know what I'm saying, we make good decent now. But yeah, I encourage any kid like who don't want to go to college. You know what I'm saying? Cause school ain't for everybody. Like I ain't making it to college.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? I had went, but my phone just kept ringing so much I quit. You know what I'm saying? I had went to Bishop for a year. And I recommend any kid like who don't want to go to college to take a trade and make some quick money that's legal. You know, I advise them to be a ball. That's dope.
When you first started, you know what I'm saying, who the first head you just messed up?
I want to say like some of the people that were coming in now, but at White's, they know it's a school, so they know they ain't gonna be no perfect haircut at
But you
first.
ain't
Yeah.
you ain't telling nobody else in the neighborhood or nothing first.
Oh no, them niggas want like I was so young, bro. Them niggas want to let me just get in their head like I was big. Like everybody went till I got loud though. Some people gave me a chance though. I ain't gonna lie, some people gave me a chance though, but I'm big on my name. I don't want nobody to know me fucking niggas up. You know what I'm saying? So,
Yeah. So you know what I'm saying? You also from Kid, you know what I'm saying, Rylo, you know what I'm saying? What
yeah,
their relationship was, you know what I'm saying,
yeah.
growing
That
up.
my grandma and his granddad brother was so we like second cousins, and I would come bro house sometime whenever he in town and shit like that.
Did you start off, you know what I'm saying, on the road with them, man? You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, for sure. Yeah, for sure. I could go bro here. Well, then I just started focusing on my business and my brand. You know what I'm saying? We went from now, and now I'm here. Like you know what I'm saying? I don't see everything.
All right. So you know what I'm saying? What you open up, you know what I'm saying? Like tell the people like where you at, you know what I'm saying, where you located at now, you know what I'm saying?
Right now, I'm on 3456 Hillcrest Road. Right here in the Dollar General parking lot, Suite B2.
So why you picked that location? Because it kind of ducked off in the cut.
Yeah, it's real ducked off. You know what I'm saying? Secluded. I like that. You know what I'm saying? How chill it is. Like, you know what I'm saying? I really found the building. A friend of mine, Whitney, she got a building. She got the gym next door. If y'all heard of Wasted by Whit. And I seen where she had recently had moved and she had got a new gym. So I was like, hey, tap me in with, you know what I'm saying, the other folks. I want your old gym. You know what I'm saying? And she was like, you know what I'm saying, come over here where I'm at. She gave me the info. I called bro, and we linked up, and he showed me the building. I really ain't look at no other buildings. I looked at this one. The price was sweet, and I was like, yeah, I'm finna goddamn do this. And I went like that.
All right, now what separates your barbershop from anybody other barbershop from down here?
I want to say I'm focusing more like on the luxury side, like you know, so try to bring like a luxury into the barber. Like my price is like way different. I offer like some cool amenities. Like you get like normally when you walk in the barbershop, you gonna pay for your snacks and your drinks. Like all my shit complimented, all my liquor be complimented. I just tapped in with Tara Braxton. She my masseuse. She gonna start coming up here like doing massages up here, like on the weekend and shit.
Yeah, so
You're trying to give it a vibe and an experience. Like you gonna get an experience more than a haircut.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
So
that's the difference. Like getting the experience. Like that versus just getting a fade. Like the fade already gonna be hard, but it's just like the time you're gonna spend when you come in here, like gonna make them want to come back.
You got the PlayStation 5, you got the
Yeah, I
hot
just got
pocket.
a 5 in here the other day. Shout out to my boy Howard. Yeah, got me a 5. Probably get a pool table too in the back. Then I offer another thing that stand me out, like I offer like the hair wash service. Like you can get your hair wash too. Yeah. It called like the Make Me Fresh Deluxe pack, where you get the hair wash, you get, you know what I'm saying, the cut, the shave, you know what I'm saying, you get all that. Couldn't like don't nobody watch her no more.
Yeah. So how they supposed to, you know what I'm saying, set up their appointment to come, you know what I'm saying?
I've been trying this little app called the Cut. I've been trying this app called the Cut. You can book on the Cut. All you gotta do is search Make Me Fresh.
Yeah. Why you ain't do music? You know what I'm saying? I know you cut hair, but some people still rap.
Yeah. I don't know. That wasn't my dream. Like people thought I could rap because they felt like I should because of how I dress and shit, like drip and shit. Like, but I don't know. That just wasn't my lane. That wasn't my dream though. Like, you know what I'm saying? I just want some money. Like that was bro dream. Like, you know what I'm saying? I just supported him with, like, you know what I'm saying? So. I like what I'm doing like right now. Like,
getting that was up. He feel play. Alright, so how many barbers you got? You know what I'm saying?
Oh, I'm the barber here.
You the only barber?
Yeah, I ain't got no other barbers than that.
You gonna get some more barbers?
No, I doubt it. I like it like this, like it real chill, like it real, you know what I'm saying, laid back. Like I don't need nobody with me. Like,
Nothing but your masseuse. Alright, you know what I'm saying? Like, did you do a backpack drive or something?
Yeah, I ain't do one this year, but like since 2016, I did one every year.
Yeah.
2016 to like 2020, I did one every year. And this year I ain't do one. I had a lot going on, so I ended up donated some money to the Boys and Girls Club RV, and talked to the kids, gave them some little knowledge by gun violence and making right decisions, making, you know what I'm saying, the right choices, like shit like that. But I said I might tap back in next year, cause for one, we didn't know if the kid would go back to school this year or what. Like it was crazy, so I ain't know. So might do something next year.
You just talked on the gun violence, you know what I'm saying? They kind of spiked recently, you know what I'm saying? What you think gonna really prevent it? You
Man,
know
it's crazy out here, man. Like the rebels, they got a big influence on our youth. Like you know what I'm saying. So they way worse than what we were. You know, everybody used to want to fight. Like then, we 50 deep. We probably like 3 niggas with a scrap. Now everybody got a 30. Like you know what I'm saying. It's crazy now. And they be needing to hear some from somebody who been where they was at and who can relate to them versus just an older person that tell them they do this, do that. But they gotta understand and relate to you, like you know what I'm saying. So when I would talk to the kids in RV, like they could relate to me. I would just tell them like, yeah, I've been where you at, but that don't get you nowhere. Like you know what I'm saying.
So I'm saying you gonna start. You think eventually you gonna start like a program like to help them get into barbering, or you gonna?
Maybe in the future, but like in the meantime, you know, in the meantime, I just be sending them to Joker, because Joker got the ball program right now.
On lock.
And yeah, on lock right now, the ball school. So anytime people like, you know what I'm saying, want to tap in with me, I always send them to her though.
Yeah.
But I thought about doing like some class, like some one-on-one class and shit like that.
Yeah. All right. So besides,
but that'd be like in the future though, like when I get some time.
So you know what I'm saying? What you think about the local rap scene? You know what I'm saying? Besides Rylo.Bruce taking it academic.
Man, the local rap scene dope right now. Like we got so much talent in Mobile, like it's crazy. Like I really hope everybody put it. I really hope everybody make it. And like people like Rylo and No Cap, like big examples. Like you can come from nobody and be something. Cause I ain't seen them firsthand, like come from ground up. And I think that shit dope as fuck. Like you know what I'm saying. Like I'm gonna beat them at the top. I'm just gonna go a long way though. You know what I'm saying? So
I ain't trying to stop you on that on the Rylo. Just give me a crazy, because you went on the road with him. What was one of the crazy like moments y'all had together? You know what I'm saying?
One crazy moment I'm gonna tell you though. Like, I was mad as hell. We went on tour with Blue, and we took a flight to. This my first time flying, so we took a flight to Milwaukee. He had a show in Milwaukee, and he opened up for Blue. And we get all the way up there, and Rylo ain't had a hard drive. Like he had no music. Like he left the hard drive. He like, dang, like, hey, we came all the way here and we used to perform. Like it was crazy. Like that was like the dumbest trip ever. Yeah, he didn't perform. We paid all that money to get up there and everything, rooms and everything, and that nigga didn't have a hard drive. And so he thought he could just email the songs to the DJ, but it wasn't no Wi-Fi in the club. So it was crazy. Like we went all the way up in there. But it was a cool experience though.
Alright, now who else out the city you listen to besides Rylo, No Cap?
I fought with Rylo, I fought with No Cap, I fought with Leg, I fought with Ziggy, I fought with Lil Santana. There's a lot of niggas. I just can't name them all, but like pretty much everybody in my playlist though. Like you know what I'm saying?
Give me some females since we
females, I fought with Miracle, I fought with Tierra, I fought with Shamar. Shamar actually want to rap. I fought with her too. It's a couple females that's hard though. Yeah. But they're my top 3 though right there.
Alright, well, you saying Rylo now make it big, you know what I'm saying? Give some of the younger artists some tips, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? To make it, you know what I'm
To
saying?
make it. Or I feel like, man, just stay consistent, man. Like consistency is key in everything. Like just keep dropping shit. Like keep, you know what I'm saying? Keep going to the studio, keep putting out shit. Just stay consistent. Like consistency is key. Like when they keep seeing you, you keep putting out content, keep putting out everything. Like they can't ignore you. Like you know what I'm saying? So that might be the right. Stay consistent.
And they stay consistent, they gonna be like you and they nailed it, don't they?
Yeah, sure.
Alright, you know what I'm saying? Like before we get ready to wrap this thing go, you know what I'm saying? Like let the you know what I'm saying, let the clients know, you know what I'm saying, when they coming to make me fresh, what they gonna be looking for from, you know what I'm saying, Bruce, you know what
Oh
I'm saying?
yeah, everybody already know now. Like when you come in, you gonna get, like I say, you gonna get the experience every time you come in. Like you know, fresh cut, dope experience. Like, and that's my main goal, like to get everybody like get experience. Cause us niggas, we don't be having like no racial vibes for us. Like all the women got all this nice shit. Like you know what I'm saying. So you know what I'm saying, good niggas, you know what I'm saying, some shit to do, look forward to. Like you know what I'm saying, relax. Like you know what I'm saying.
And how many days a week you open?
I open 7 days a week. I work Monday through Sunday like Bruce Like
uh,
every day. Every day we gotta get to a bag. All gas, no brakes at that point. There's too much shit we trying to do. Like you know what I'm saying, trying to come.
What are you trying to come before we get up out of here? Side then what you
I really want to make me fresh like to a whole another level. Like you know what I'm saying, open up a new market for us down here. Like with you know what I'm saying, with the haircuts and like I always want to like maybe like if you look at my logo, like it ain't got like no like no ball pole, no scissors or nothing like that. Like, cause I wanted to use it for like to be universal. Like I wanted like to open up a detail shop like a car wash, like maybe fresh car wash, detailing shop. Then I want to open like a resale boutique, like resell like top tier clothes and shoes, and it gonna be like make me fresh boutique, like just make fresh like a lifestyle, like you feel me? Like we grind clean, jumping fresh, kind of cook fresh, like good fresh, like that's what we on, like you know what I'm saying?
he about to say back interview that hair, he just drove a tear.
Yeah.
He there's a tear type shit.
Yeah.
But so I'm saying you gonna try to employ more people out the hood, or you know what I'm saying?
Yeah. Like I already like been tapping in with certain folks. Like I know who I want like help me do the car wash and shit. Like, cause like them the best dudes to wash your car in the hood. Like I go 45 get my car washed. Like I don't go to no B-Bowls and nothing like that. We go to the hood. Like we tap in with the hood, bro. Like, we gonna make some shit exclusive live. Like I'm already, I ain't even got the building yet, but I'm already planning like my opening day. Like bikini wise open the day. Like, you know what I'm saying? It'll be an experience every time.
It's
Like, you know what I'm saying? It'll be an experience every time. Yeah. And that's what's gonna work. It's gonna work.
Hey, where you get I'm saying, where you get the drive every day, you know what I'm saying, from, you know what I'm saying, because you've been doing it since you.
Yeah, man, being hungry, bro, like growing up, like, and not having a lot, bro, like, you know what I'm saying? Well, my mom ain't make good decisions with her life. My dad ain't make good decisions with their life. So it was hard for them to give me the stuff that I wanted and support the stuff I wanted to do. Like, if I would have played sports, who's gonna keep me with money? You know what I'm saying? Who's gonna pay for my, like, my equipment, my trips, and all that stuff? Like, who's gonna pay for that? Like, you know what I'm saying? If I'm just playing sports, I ain't got time for no job. Like, who's gonna support me like that?
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? So it was just like not having that growing up, bro. Make you get up every day and go get it. Like, you know what I'm saying? So
Alright.
that's where I get a lot of my ambition from, like my drive, like not having that, cause you gonna want a better life for yourself. Like, you know what I'm saying? So
And that's what you teach when you go to the class. I mean, when you do speak to kids, you know what I'm saying? Like, what?
yeah, man, try to better yourself. Like, you should want more for yourself. Like, I try to tell kids, like, don't go around like, you know what I'm saying? Don't go around like wrong path just because you see YB them doing this and you see Bruce them doing this, but look where they at. Like, you know what I'm saying? They locked up. Like, you know what I'm saying? Cause they living that shit, they rapping in their song. Like, you know what I'm saying? So like, Don't go that way, bro. Like, you know what I'm saying? It's only gonna lead one way, like you dead in jail. And you see, I'm out here chilling, like, you know what I'm saying? So obviously, I took the right route.
Hey, cause I say it pertain, you know what I'm saying, to both situations. So if a dude snitched, he got out of jail, he wanted to work for you. Would you let him work for you?
For one, ain't nobody gonna work for me. You know what I'm saying?
You know what I'm saying? When you
talking about like if I was doing the West
you call my business and all.
Oh, yeah. I doubt it, yeah. I doubt it. I mean, I can't trust you. You know what I'm saying? So, can't trust you with nothing. I doubt it, yeah.
Oh.
They have these niggas, you don't know it, but they did anyway. Though. Like, you know what I'm saying? You know what the niggas did. But, yeah.
He like,
trust you, my boy.
he gonna trust.
No.
How you supposed to turn your life around?
How you supposed to turn their life around?
Yeah.
Go to church.
Hold on, they're gonna kill me. Hold on.
Because who finna fuck with you out the hood? Like, nobody. You know what I'm saying? Everybody know what you done did. Like, ain't nobody finna give you no shot of wanting you to be around you. Or be around you. Like, you know what I'm saying? Ain't nobody gonna want to be around you.
Hold on. When you were with that white, you know it probably was that one dude snitched on you, but you had to work with him at White's, right?
That man had to bang with him.
I ain't saying bang with him. I'm saying what you have, right? You bang with him. It's a.
We gotta live by the code. We gonna keep it gangster.
Let me come out. That police ass ain't working out.
Yeah, then there go my name. Like, you not feeling the fuck up my name. I came too hard. Came too far. Like.
You can't work too hard, yo.
But like I said, sometimes you don't be knowing what a nigga did though, bro. Like, it be crazy. You be standing right next to the nigga. You know what I'm saying?
You were fouled after that.
He wouldn't even got on.
You really gotta get ready around doing no, you know what I'm saying? Let the folks again know what they get. Oh, anything you want to tell the people before we get up out here?
No, that's good. Just, y'all just come holler at me, tap in. You know what I'm saying?
And where they can find you at on social media, check your cuts out.
My Instagram, make me fresh _ link your bio, address, and phone number. Just tap in and get the experience.
Get the screen.
Shout out to Jim TV before we get out of here.
Oh yeah, man! Shout out to Jim TV coming in here. You know what I'm saying? People in the experience. Dope in the booth. Definitely rock with y'all.
Jim TV getting y'all out of the gym at the city.